Welcome back to Nelia's kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some fish cakes in under 30 minutes. Today I'm using salmon, but you could also use cod or any other fish that you like. Ideally get the fish without the skin, but if it does come with the skin then you're going to want to skin it first. To skin the fish, begin by making a small incision under the skin and make small cuts until you can grab the skin. Then gently pull the skin side to side, holding the knife still, like so. Cut up the salmon into small pieces. And then mince until fine. Add the salmon to the bowl and repeat with the rest of the fish. Next, mince the garlic. Add this into the bowl along with the salmon. Add the juice of half a lemon. Then add a dash of ginger. And some salt. Next, crack in 2 eggs. Mix thoroughly. If your mixture is runny like mine is, add some breadcrumbs. Here I'm using panko. Mix until combined. Add more breadcrumbs if needed. The texture should be spoonable, not too runny and not too thick. Spoon the fish cake mixture into an oiled dish. Flatten the mixture out to make a round fish cake. Repeat. Cook in a preheated oven at 180 degrees C, fan or gas mark 6. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Here I've served it with boiled new potatoes and green beans. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe.